Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the front post half double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I made regular half double crochet stitches. On the row that I'm currently working, I made 2 chains and then I made a regular half double crochet stitch into this first stitch right here. I have tutorials on how to make chains and how to make the half double crochet stitch, and I will have them listed down below. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you the first front post half double crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over your hook. You're going to insert your hook in between the stitch that you had just worked into and this next stitch that you would normally work into the top right here, right? You're actually going to work in between them into this open space. You're going to insert your hook. It looks like it's going to go towards the back of your work, right? You're actually going to go and insert it right into there, and you're going to go behind that next stitch that you would normally work into. It's going to poke out on the other side into this open space over here. You're going to grab your yarn. You're going to pull it through and behind that stitch. You're then going to yarn over and you're going to finish like a regular half double crochet stitch. You're going to take it through all 3 loops on your hook. All right, so that's going to be the first front post half double crochet stitch made right there. I worked a regular half double in this one, so I'm going to go ahead and work another front post one. You're going to insert your hook right here. It's going to be in between the stitch that you had just worked into and then this stitch that you would normally work into the top right here. You're going to work into this open space right here in between them. You're going to insert your hook. You're going to put it behind this stitch. It's going to poke out on the other side. You're going to grab that yarn and you're going to pull it through and behind that stitch. You should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And I'm going to work a regular half double in the next one. Again, you're going to insert your hook. Sorry, you're going to start with the yarn over. You're going to insert your hook into this open space right here in between these 2 stitches. Then you're going to go around behind that stitch, the next one that you would normally work into. You're going to yarn over, you're going to pull it through and behind that stitch. Then you're going to yarn over and finish like a regular half double, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over your hook. You're going to insert your hook in between these stitches right here into this open space, and then it's going to go around behind this next stitch. It's going to poke out on the other side where you're going to grab the yarn you're working with. You're going to pull it through and behind that stitch right there. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Regular half double in this next one right here. Insert your hook in between these stitches right here into this open space, around behind this next stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it through that space and around the back of that stitch right there. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Regular half double in this one. Insert your hook into the next space in between these stitches right here. It's going to go around behind this stitch. Okay. Sorry, actually, you're going to start by yarning over your hook. Insert your hook into this open space. Around behind this stitch is where it's going to go. It should poke out on the other side. In this open space, you're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through. It's going to go around behind this stitch. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Make a regular half double here. Again, you're going to start by yarning over your hook. Insert your hook in between this stitch that we had just worked into. This next stitch where you would normally work into the top right here. You're going to work in between them into this open space. Then you're going to take your hook around behind that stitch that you would normally work into next. It's going to poke out on the other side. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull it through and around the back of that stitch. You're then going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And then I'm going to work a regular half double into this last stitch right here just to finish off my row. So you can see that the front post half double crochet stitches that I had made are more raised on your work. The regular half doubles that I had made are more recessed, so it creates some texture. Then this is going to be the back. You can see that there is a ridge right here that is raised because the stitch is going around those other stitches. Okay, that is going to be how to make the front post half double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos that you would like to see, any videos, tutorials, stitches, anything like that. Thank you guys so much for being here. Again, have a great day.